Question 5.3. Use the information from Table 4 to calculate the rate of digestion when both enzymes are present. So looking at our table, we are using the endocellulase and the exocellulase numbers. So the bits of information that we need to know is the fact that there is 9.2 when there is endocellulase and exocellulase, but it's also important to remember that this is the mass of cellulose that is remained. So that is what is left over after the experiment has happened. So in order to be able to work out how much has been used, we need to know how much it started off with, and it tells us in the question that there was 15 grams of cellulose at the beginning. So it started off with 15 grams of cellulose, and in the presence of both of those enzymes, after 48 hours, there was 9.2 left. So we do 15 minus 9.2, which gives us our answer of 5.8. So after 48 hours, then 5.8 grams are going to be remaining. Now in the question, it asks us to give our answer in standard form, and it asks us to give our answers in grams per minute. So if there is 5.8 grams used up in 48 hours, then we would then need to work out how many minutes 48 hours are. So we would do 48 times by 60, because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So in 48 hours, there are 2,880 minutes. So we use our rate equation, and we look at the idea of how much of the cellulose was digested, and we divide that by the time taken for it. So there was 5.8 grams digested, and this was over 2,880 minutes, which gives us an answer of 0.002, and so on. So in order to express our answer in standard form, we would move our decimal place plus 1, 2, 3, which would give us our answer of 2.0 times 10 to the minus 3, or just 2 times 10 to the minus 3, or 2.01 times 10 to the minus 3. They will allow working marks, so if you have the correct answer but not the answer in standard form, you can have 1 mark, or the correct calculation, but if you've used incorrect figures from the table, so if you used 9.2 instead of doing 15 minus 9.2, then you can have 1 mark for your working, or if you've got the correct calculation but you've expressed your answer as grams per hour, so you didn't multiply the 48 by 60, you can also have 1 mark.